Hey, right. What are we up to?
Well,
what are we up to this week?
Well, I'm going to make a dash for the door. No, we've got a dash, haven't we?
Wonder what the hell you were going to do then?
I'm in a good mood all of a sudden.
I don't know why.
I've been in a bad mood this week because I've had COVID, everybody.
Now, have you?
I think
Or
I
have you
yeah.
just think you have?
No, I think I have, yeah.
Did you test?
No.
No, then you don't know if you did. You might have just had a bad cold. You're just laying the old sympathy brush on, aren't you?
No, I
That's
felt
what you
dreadful. I've only just felt all right today, and that's 4 or 5 days afterwards.
Bit of the old sympathy,
Yeah.
innit?
No, I wouldn't. Oh, you know what I'm like. I can't have time off, can I? So.
Right.
But yeah,
You're
sorry,
not
no, I
having time off
digress.
now, are you?
No.
So what are we doing?
We're going to clean the dash up. We'll have a little
Right.
chat about that. We'll have a little chat about the roof, because what we're going to do with that. Little bit of chat at the scuttle. I haven't done that yet. I haven't had time because I've been very, very ill.
Yeah, lovely. Yeah.
So we'll talk about.
Hang on a minute. Oh, I'm just going to have a quick check. No, you're not swinging a leg anymore. No, you're all right. Right, moving on. Right.
Anyway, yes. So that's it really. And I found out of the racing Saxo. The little panel that I'd made up for the where the radio goes, because I said we might do that with the Mini, but I'm not going to. I'm going to make a little plate up and put it by the
And that's for the
gear stick.
cut-off buttons.
Cut-off button. So I'm going to show you what I did there, and that's about it really.
All right, okay. So where's the dashboard then? Because I haven't seen it for what? Why are you looking up there then?
Because it's in the loft.
Right, that was easy getting that down there, wasn't it? I like the way we didn't actually show us. We didn't show us getting that down, because I'll tell you what, that weren't worth showing, was it? Yeah, yeah. That would have been...
Although no sound come out, you still might have to cover the lips, man.
Well, I mean, I know we do some stuff
Yeah.
a bit like Laurel and Hardy, but that was beyond...
That is heavy. It's a pity
Right.
you can't change a lot of this, because it is bloody heavy. It must weigh 6 kilos, I reckon.
Well, it's all metal based, isn't it?
Yeah,
Well,
it's
the
all
inside's
aluminium.
metal based, isn't
So
it?
you ready? Shall we
Right.
uncover?
Are you ready? Do
We're
the
going to take
unveiling.
Archie's little blanket off his standing shivering because
Go on,
his
go on.
blanket
You've
off.
been waiting to do it.
Hey! There.
It's been a long time since we've
Yeah.
seen this.
Yeah. So it just needs a clear up. It ain't been too bad up there actually. Obviously the steering wheel's coming off, so we can film all that and put a quick release on it and all that sort of stuff. I might even put a little extender on it in between, so it brings the steering wheel closer to us. Yeah. Yeah. Shall I get the little thing I made up with off the Saxo that I made up and
If you
show you
want.
what it could look like? But
you
we're
want.
not going to do it.
Yeah. Oh no, because you're going to put it near the gear stick.
Yeah, I'm
now,
going to put it
aren't
in the gear stick. It'd be a lot better. Because whoever's in there then can, you know, having a go, they can reach it, can't they? That's what my thinking was.
you? Well, because you were worried about how far you sit back.
Yeah, because
You might not be able to reach it.
I've got very long legs. Right, yeah. So that was it.
Have you got long legs?
I have.
Or have you just got a lung budder?
Roger Smith will like that. Won't you, Roger?
Lung budder.
Long
Yeah,
body.
yeah,
No, I haven't got a long body. I've got very long legs.
Right.
Yes. If I had a long body, I'd probably be a professional swimmer because professional swimmers have got long bodies.
That's the difference between you and me. I haven't got long legs and I haven't got a long body.
No, Bilbo.
Yes, right.
Right,
Moving
yes. Yeah, so get that plate then. So
Go and get it.
Yeah. Right, that's the one I made for the Saxo. It must be over 10 years ago. I found that obviously it's a shape of the blank panel, but that would have gone in there like that.
Well, that would have looked quite neat in there, wouldn't it?
It would, but it's just I think it's
Almost too
made
neat.
for it. Yeah, but I
Because
think
like you almost wouldn't see it. Do you know what I mean?
But it's just going to be too far away, I think. And it might not even be, I don't know yet, but we'll see. We get the dashing in and I'll decide then, I think. But I think it'd be quite nice if you're all strapped in just to reach down and flick the switches, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nothing's been changed to this dashboard apart from the steering
none
wheel?
at all. No, I'd love to take some weight out of it, really, but we
Yeah, because
can't.
it's a heavy bugger, isn't it?
How do you use it? It's
Yeah,
getting cold,
'cause it's
Mark.
all-
Yeah, it's all aluminium. A whole lot of it is aluminium. Or aluminum.
Well, yeah. So I mean, a lot of plastic,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
but you can
it's,
see.
it's just this,
you can
this
see
skeleton.
that all of that
yeah,
there.
This aluminium skeleton is bloody heavy.
You think it'd be light for aluminium,
Yeah.
wouldn't you? But it's not, is
No,
it?
it's not. No, it must be 6 kilo, I reckon. Yeah, must be 6 kilo, which is what, 100th of a second. So yeah. So you're
just a clean up?
Yeah,
tonight,
I think so. You're the cleaner man, aren't you? So.
Well, I know that, but
Yeah.
I can't hold the camera and clean that dashboard at the same time.
What a surprise!
So.
What a surprise!
You're in the chair
What
again.
a
You're back in the
surprise.
chair. You're back in the chair and doing
Right,
the work.
so talk me through it. How should I do it? Should I apply the cleaner to the cloth, or should I apply the cleaner to the dash?
If it wasn't that bad,
If
it wasn't that bad, you could
not.
put it. You could spray the cloth, and then spray the dashboard. But I think that is bad enough. I'd just spray it. I'd spray directly on and wipe.
Yeah.
I'd go for that, especially along the top there.
Yeah.
Especially along the top of there. Look, the camera don't really do it justice because it's a lot filthy. Yeah, it's a lot filthier than it looks actually. It's a lot filthier than it.
Bit like your mind, isn't it?
It's a lot filthier.
Right. Okay. Now, is that all right? Has it got to be clockwise?
What are you using?
What?
What spray are you
Oh
using?
yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Auto Glim for the gentleman cleaner.
For all your vinyl and rubber care needs.
Yes.
Anyone think we were sponsored
Anyway, yeah.
by him? Yeah.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, we might have some news coming there somewhere along the line, but it's not directly money sponsorship we were getting, but we might getting something else, mightn't we? So, but yeah, if you want to sponsor the car, sponsor it. No, don't be frightened.
How's it coming up? How's it coming up?
It's coming up all right, actually. It's come up nice. Can I take it home with me so I can do the dash in my van? Obviously,
there's a little bit there, look, you need to clean off. Look, can you see that? Look.
Yeah, I don't think it's.
It will. Just keep going.
I don't want to spray the lens.
Go on. Milky.
This is how you'd be doing it, wouldn't it? You'd have an ear, whatchamacallit, cotton bud, wouldn't you? You'd be going, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
There's a difference between cleaning and detailing. Yeah, that ain't coming off of there, is it?
No, ain't, no.
Yeah, no, I might need something a bit more stronger
It's a
than
sticky
that.
object.
A bit more jalopy in that,
Yeah,
I reckon.
jalopy. I reckon a bit of, whatchamacallit might work. Body wipe or something might be better for that. Yeah, I'm just interested to see what this Auto Glim's like, actually. I used to use it because I had an old RS2000 Escort. I used to always clean it with Auto Glim and would never use anything else. But I don't know what Maguire's is like, and what's the other one? There's another one, isn't there?
No, Maguire's is alright.
Yeah.
I use a lot of Maguire's stuff like polishes and compound and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Maguire's is pretty good. And a detailing spray. They're doing a very nice detailing spray, actually.
Yeah.
The other thing's Auto Finesse.
All right, yeah, that's the other one I was thinking
I've used Auto Finesse. I
Yeah.
think they're out in Bishop Stortford.
Yeah,
way, aren't
they're local, aren't they? They might be worth trying to get some cleaning, because it'd be nice having their products at the circuit, wouldn't it?
Yeah. They do, Auto Finesse do a thing called Iron Out. I'll put a picture up in a minute.
Yeah.
Iron Out, you spray it on your alloy wheels and it eats all the, like, you know, the
Oh
brake
yeah,
dust
is it
and all that.
it goes red, doesn't it, when
Yeah.
it needs coming? Yeah, they used to call it Dragon's Breath, that's another version
Yeah,
of
and
it, isn't
Devil's
there?
Blood and all
Yeah.
that sort of thing, yeah.
Yeah,
But
I've
they call it Iron Out. You can actually spray the Iron Out on the bodywork of the car.
Can you?
Yeah, to get all the like stuff out of the paint.
Oh, really?
I must admit, I don't subscribe to that. There you
No,
go.
but please subscribe to us though.
Yeah. I prefer to what do you call it? Clay bar.
Oh yeah, because you did my bonnet on my car, didn't you?
Clay
And that
bar,
come up lovely,
clay bar
didn't
and
it?
clay lube. Yeah.
Yeah, keep promising to do it again, but you don't.
Well,
did I say that out loud? I must stop doing that.
You didn't say it out loud, but you said it loud enough.
Look at the state of that. Look, it's getting it. It's getting it off.
I'll tell you what.
What?
As we're in a plug-in mood,
Yeah.
we'll plug the yellow towels you're using as well.
Oh yeah, what are they then?
They are Costco.
Are they?
Yeah, you buy a big old bundle of about 30 or 40 of them. Can't remember you buy now.
What's come off of there?
It's like a big old like bale, a bale of cloths.
Bale of cloth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bale of cloths. Bale of cloths. Jamie Doble like that. Yeah. Anyway, I digress. It's come up all right, actually, isn't it?
Unbelievable.
I'm not going to bother with the steering wheel because it's coming off. So that's
coming off. And anyway, that's a leather steering wheel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want to put leather cleaner on that because you can see the leather's got a bit of a sheen to it. Look.
What?
And that's all the grease from your hands.
Talking of sheen.
That's the grease from your hands.
Talking of sheen. Steve Parrish is at Saffron Screen in Saffron.
Unbelievable.
Isn't he?
What a But what an unbelievable link.
Yeah, 22 quid a ticket. Is it savinscreen.com?
Could be. Are you going?
I'm definitely going. Yeah, it'd be a good Christmas present. You ought to try it. 22 quid. Good boy. He's an interesting man. Pulled the cord and he's gone. He's away. You won't stop him. We do love
And
you.
apparently,
Yeah.
am I right in saying it's his last one he's doing?
It is. He's not
So
gonna
if
do
you miss
anymore.
it,
Yeah.
you'll miss it.
I think he's got a special guest as well, hasn't he, which he doesn't normally have.
Yeah, you don't know who that is yet.
Is that good enough?
Don't know who that is yet. Could be you.
Could be me.
Yeah. Could be you as a special
Could be
guest.
Arch. I bet it's Arch.
Could be.
Right. So, how are we with that?
What do you reckon then? Are you done?
That's come up all right, isn't it?
Do you reckon that's good enough? Now, I've got a question for you.
Yeah. Got a runny nose.
Are you? Well, it's because it's turned cold. Are you?
That's because I've been very ill.
Are you going to put something on the top of the dashboard?
Well,
Like that sort of like
what? Get the flock out of here.
yeah, like it's like a powdery velvet, isn't it? That you
flock.
put on?
Yeah.
Are you putting that on it?
I don't know.
Because to be fair,
Part of me.
it's not
thinks I
exactly a
should.
high reflecting dashboard, is it?
No,
Because I suppose what happens is when the sun shines, that reflects in the glass screen, doesn't it?
To be fair, I did think about it, but I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, I will do on other cars. We do. I will, like when we do the homage car, should we call it? Don't want to give too much away. I might do it on that because that did have it. So I'll do it on that, I think.
But not on this.
No.
Why?
No. I just don't think it warrants it really. I don't think it's going to, mind you, I could be wrong. It could be April. It could be 20 degrees at Brands Hatch, and the sun could be shining all day.
Does it cost a lot of money to do it?
I think the kit's about 45 quid.
Oh. And then you got to do it.
Yeah.
And then if you do
the
it
trouble
wrong,
is it depends
if you
how
do
much.
it wrong, I suppose it looks like a right nose up as well,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
And there's a lot of money to replace that. It's 200 quid, I reckon.
Right. Do most people put it on, or do most people not put it on?
No. Because we were talking about the car, weren't we? About how long it's taking and everything else. But a lot of the teams won't go into the effort that we've gone into. They would have left the car, took the car off the road. I don't think they would even took a lot of the undersill we took off, and they wouldn't have certainly cleaned up all the gubbins that go around it, like we have with the drop links and the trailing arms and all that sort of stuff. So they would get it done a lot quicker. We said about a month. They'd get it done quicker in a month. Then they probably might paint out the car. I think they're Accelerate cars painting out the inside, and I've got a feeling Graves might have done theirs as well. But it wouldn't take them a month.
Now, I've got another question for you. I'm full of questions tonight.
Yes, you are.
When we were down at the Mini JCW.
What, Brands Hatch? Last round?
Well, we were Snetterton and Brands Hatch.
Yeah.
When I stuck my head in, where we was like filming Bradley Gravitz and Max Coates and
Lydia's,
yeah. It's silver underneath the dashboard.
Yeah, it's
not white.
No, see, they don't like using white because they say that's too reflective. But when we were at Harlow, we always used white, and it just looked nice white. A lot of the cars are just matte black. They just paint them matte black to leave all the
just as reflective, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a racing car thing. They're always painted in either Battleship Grey, the Formula Fords, that they're always painted in Battleship Grey inside, or silver. It's always just the way it was. I don't know why. Got no idea why.
It's not one of these silly superstitions like you said about I don't want a car with red, green and yellow on and all that.
No, red and green I don't do. No, I think it's... I don't know. I've got no idea. Perhaps someone could tell us. That'd be a nice little comment, wouldn't it? Someone tell us why they're always silver or grey.
Yeah. Now, I would love to get hold of this now and get it in the Mini. Because you feel like you're cracking on and doing something, but you don't want to do that, do you?
I'm going to show you why as well. Because there's a pipe that goes to the gearbox from the brake pedal, and somebody forgot to put it in.
Where's this pipe then?
It goes to the gearbox basically, the clutch cylinder on the gearbox, and somebody forgot to put it in. So we can't put the dash in yet. And plus as well, I've got to undo the bolts for the servo, because it all goes around that and then it comes out, and I think it goes down. There was a clip in this bulkhead that I couldn't work out there was a single clip, and of course there's a single pipe, and it ends up coming out here and going into the gearbox that way round, I think it is, or something like that anyway. But yeah, someone forgot to
And
put
is
it
that
in.
part of the fire extinguisher thing then?
No, it's the clutch basically.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Right, I just saw a pipe like that and
No.
put 2 and 2 and made 5.
No, so I've got a feeling that part goes into the clutch. And
So
then
when
that part
can we
goes
get the
into
dash
car.
in then?
Sorry?
When can we get the dash back in? Over Christmas?
No, it'll be before Christmas.
Oh,
Yeah, we get it in
before
before
Christmas.
Christmas. Yeah,
Oh,
get it in before Christmas. Oh, and the roof. We're going to paint the roof black.
Oh.
I don't know if we explained
Can
that.
being short, I'll try and
Yeah.
get this as high as I can. There you go. Then.
So we had all that trouble getting the Union Jack and the black sticker off of it. Now we're going to paint it gloss black and then put the Minis and Motorbikes logo on the top and a big circle.
Right.
Because I think you got we put on last week. You had the car going
I
round.
know,
didn't
but
you?
I'm going to do even better than that.
Oh, yeah.
Because by the magic of TV,
Yeah, I'll go with it.
the logo's on there now.
Is it?
Yeah, it's on there. Look, you can look at it. Can you not see it?
Oh, I can't believe the paint job I did there, Mark.
Yeah.
It's the best I've ever done.
I know.
Yeah, so that's what's good. So then if you're sitting in the stands, you can pick our... Well, you'll see I'll pick our car out anyway because we'll be last.
Oh, no.
We'll be first, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it then, really.
Okie doke. Right, you going to help me get down off this step ladder now?
No.
Because I'm getting the cobby wobbles now.
You've had them for a long while, haven't you?
Right, so thanks for watching this week's episode.
Everybody.
Bit of a quickie one again.
Yep.
And
we
only talking
just-
about the dash. But
Just talk rubbish, really.
Yeah, but it's just little
Not our
bits.
content.
it's just little bits at the moment,
Yeah,
isn't it? And what we're
yeah.
going to lead up to Christmas.
Yeah, it's just mad. I haven't been very
Getting
well.
up
I've been really ill.
You say you've been really ill, but have you?
I've been really ill.
How ill have you been?
About that ill.
I mean, should I be?
Yeah.
Should I be sitting?
Yeah, it's all right. We don't kiss. That's fine.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
So we. I've caught it already. I've caught it already. I've caught something for Christmas.
That's about the only thing you'll catch
You
at
ain't giving me
Christmas.
this for Christmas, have you? It's not your present, is it?
No, the extinguisher should be here. So we can
Oh,
see that. Yeah.
'cause you were
yeah.
gonna
I've
replace
ordered
that,
a
weren't
new
you?
one, yeah. And I've ordered a new seat as well.
And does it come with all the bits and the bobs
yeah,
and the thing on the top
yeah,
that you
yeah,
said
there's
about? You got
bits
to do that you
missing.
missing.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. So yeah, there'd be heat sleeving and stuff like that. Also a
Does
new
it
seat.
come with all the stuff inside it as well?
Yeah, it's all
So it's
pre-done.
pre-charged.
Yeah. So that's saved us about 40 quid there. So we will score some of it back, but you know, it's just a pain in the arse. I'll lose stuff.
Right. Oh, and the seats.
Yeah, the seat. I've ordered a new seat as well because the one we've got is out of date. It's the right size.
What? You mean you can get?
Yeah,
what?
because the one you cleaned up was the one that I couldn't get into, which
The one
was,
that I spent hours cleaning.
yeah, that I got given
That
by.
looks like new now.
Yeah, that I got given by Cobra, I can't pronounce it.
Right.
Because Steve Parrish was going to use that if he was going to have a go in it, because he can get his little bum in it. You can get your little bum in it, you see. But now, you see, the beauty of it now is if I get the new seat, because the dates run out of it, the FIA dates run out on it, I can, we'll have two matching seats, because it doesn't matter about the passenger seat being the old seat, so they'll look exactly the same. So I think
As
that'd
long
be
as the
quite nice.
driver's one's all right.
Yeah. So I think that'd look all right.
Okay. Right, so we're getting to the end of this
Yes.
now. So I'm gonna click my fingers in a minute like I normally do, because I'm getting quite good at that. And it's going to go to a small picture, all right? And then we'll do the links. So here we go. There we go. We're a small picture now. So over here is the link to the previous episode.
Yeah, and down there's the circle, the Black Minis and Motorbikes circle, which is going to be the same as going to be on the roof, funny enough.
Yeah.
And that takes you to everything
Links you
we've
to
done.
everything.
And, yeah.
Links you to everything. So click it and watch
Click it
some other
and watch
stuff.
others,
Anyway, brilliant. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
See you next week.
Yeah, give us a like.